gingerbread man?
Cinnamon.
You put some cinnamon in.
Ginger.
You put some ginger in.
Sugar.
Put some sugar in.
Milk.
You put some milk in.
Flour.
And you put some flour in.
Salt.
And you put some salt in. And then what do?
Mix it.
Okay, you mix it up. You mix it up. Round and round. You mix. Is it mixed yet?
No.
Okay, you mix some more. You mix it up. Mix it up. Is it done yet?
No.
Still needs more mixing. Okay, you mix it up. Mix it up. Let me check. Yeah, it's done. Okay, then what do?
You flatten it out.
Yeah, you got to flatten it out. Roll it out. You got to roll it out. You roll it out. And you roll it all up. And you roll it out. And then what do?
You cut it out.
You cut it out, right. You go around the head and around the arm. And then you gotta make a foot and another foot, a leg and a foot. And then another arm. Another arm, shoulder. And you go another head, side of the head there. Now it's all cut out. Then what do?
You can put something in it, or you cook it.
Oh, you cook it. Yeah, you bake it. So now you bake it. Okay, you bake it in the oven. You got to scrunch it up in the oven. Bake it in the oven. Okay, you bake it. You bake it. There. You bake it. Is it done yet?
No.
It's not done. Okay, you bake it a little longer. Is it done yet?
No.
Oh, it's not done, so we got to keep baking. Let me test it this time. Not quite done. You bake it, and you bake it. Let's test it. Yep, it's done. And then what do?
You put what you want on it.
Oh, we're going to put some candies on it. We'll put an eye there, an eye here, and a nose, and we'll put 3 for a mouth. Need some buttons. And then what do?
You eat it.
Yeah, eat it. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Is there any crumbs left?
Yes, right there.
Right there. Yum, 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 yum. I think that's all.